Hey, it's Kat here, and today we are going to be crocheting the simplest top ever. This is made in two panels which are exactly the same, front and a back panel, and it's made with my absolute favourite stitch, the half double crochet stitch. Let's get into it. The materials you'll need are Paintbox yarns cotton Aran in pure black, and you'll need about 300 grams of those. I'm making a medium, so I would say buy about 6 of these 50-gram balls and a 4.5mm crochet hook. We're going to start with our slip knot as always, and we're going to chain 60. This is for a medium top. 6, 7. Right, we have our chain of 60. Now we're going to make row 1. So starting in our third chain from the hook, so 1, 2, 3, we're going to make half double crochet. So yarn over, pop your hook into that third chain from the hook, yarn over again and pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over again and pull through all 3. Okay, so we're going to do this with every chain. And then our row 1 should be a row of all half double crochet. There we are, row 1 complete, all half double crochet. Now we're at the end, we're going to chain 2, turn, and in that first stitch we're going to do our first half double crochet. So that chain does not count as a stitch. Alright, now we're going to do this half double crochet malarkey until we reach 28 rows. So I'll meet you back here when you've done 28 rows of half double crochet. Wonderful, so we now have 28 rows of half double crochet, and I've just snipped that off because now we're going to join 10 stitches in, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So on the 11th stitch, we're going to join like so. Chain 2. And then in that same stitch, we're going to just go in and do a half double crochet. That's our first half double crochet. And then we're going to go all the way along, because we're going to end up with 34 of these. So we're going to make 34 half double crochets for this row. I'm going to make sure you see this clearly, alright, because I know it's black, but we can still work with it, because look, you can see the stitches now. I had to just zoom up close. I'm going to leave 10 stitches from the edge, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. In that 11th stitch, we're going to join and chain 2. 1, 2, and then in that same stitch, make a half double crochet. fabulous. We're going to half double crochet all the way along until we only have 10 stitches left on the other side. So it's going to be symmetrical with the other side. So I'll meet you back here when you have 10 stitches left. There we are. So there's 10 stitches here, and I'm going to stop right here, chain my 2, and then carry on doing exactly the same thing. And we're going to do this, turn obviously, we're going to do this for 12 rows. So you've got your main body, and then this is 12 rows of the shoulder, say shaping. It's just a very simple, but you've got 12 more rows of this, and then that's your front and back panels completely done. So I'll meet you back here when you've done 12 rows of that, and we'll see where we are. Here we are, so one panel done. We have 40 rows in total. We've got 28 here, and then we've got another 12 on the top, and that's your panel done. Now all you need to do is make one more of these. There we are, that was easy, wasn't it? So 2 panels exactly the same. I'm so pleased with how simple this is. Then all we're going to do, sew up the sides, here and here, and then just sew some little bits along the shoulders. So all we're going to do now is sew up the sides using the match stitch, which I do in pretty much every single video, and I've got a little bit of my yarn from one side, so I'm using it to sew. So we're going to do this on both sides.
So there we have it, a simple crochet top in a simple stitch for you to make today. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I bring out videos like this all the time, and I would welcome you with open arms. If you really like this video, then there's another crochet cotton top here that I will leave for you to make next.